What's going on YouTube? New Hinges with another video. Hey, initial walkthrough. Had a client who wanted to turn their barn into an office slash she shed. So as you see, there's a few windows down here of the slider priority. I got the Metabo batteries charging, ready to go. So we're gonna replace these barn doors with French doors. We're gonna add some vinyl plank flooring. So this is gonna be the she shed art craft room. And then go upstairs. I apologize, there's no light. But here is where she wants to create her office. So we're gonna be adding outlets for windows, drywall, paint, vinyl up here as well. I keep you guys posted.